coffee in bed, red wine when we wake up. It's 10 p.m. She's just doing her makeup. 2 little marks where the teeth went in. It's finally dark, let's go out again. But that's what it's like dating cheaters and liars. 'Cause I fell in love with the vampire. Oh, yeah, I fell in